Hex station. The bell. Is it on? It's not a crossing. Beat happens over next station. She's up. Hey, Daddy. That's the next stop. She's up there. High ball, all the rate of 50 mph. Oh. No, that's 30. No, 50's all the way down. It's not a crossing, Dad. Speed her up, Dad. So, guys, what do you think of my Athearn Challenger? What'd you think of it? Note, I got the box car at Train Fest, the excursion cars, then the water car set from Miss Plant's Hobbies. Then I got my Challenger at Lombard Hobbies for $360. Daddy, crossing ahead, right. There's the crossing. So, our crossing is right there, so. Start up on the bell, too. The bell all the way. Whoa, and a nice entrance still. This is Athearn. Hey, Daddy, afterwards, hashtag needs to be set back the other way. A bell on. I'll plan on stopping. Then a short whistle as well. That'll do for 95. Bye.